Laziness often interferes with our emotions. Perhaps we have all thought, how can I become more diligent? If something has to be done and you don't do it, it will never get done. When we know we have to do something, we should get it done before it's too late. Success comes from the accumulation of little by little, and today we will discuss with you how to do these little things that we are not interested in, little by little. Lazy people put off these small things, while successful people will finish these small tasks as soon as possible. 1. Organizing. The most important thing to overcome laziness is to be organized. We all want to work efficiently, but messy desks and cluttered folders make it impossible for us to do so. A clean and tidy work environment allows us to work more efficiently, while a messy work environment is something we are afraid to avoid. Take some time to focus on cleaning up. All kinds of documents, stationery, and the like are organized into categories. Computer. 2. All kinds of documents and collections of websites should be filed in an orderly manner, to facilitate future retrieval. 2. List tomorrow's to-do list before going to bed. This is non-negotiable because when we list our to-do list, our thoughts will be clearer. You should make a schedule every night. You can list it in your notebook, Word file, or note type app. 5 to 10 items at least, no matter how big or small, as long as it is the next day to do or listed. Each one is very important. 3. The things you don't want to do take priority. We know what needs to be done, but the feeling of not getting it done is like a nasty fly that haunts us and keeps on procrastinating. The only way to avoid this is to do the things you don't want to do first thing in the morning. Start with the toughest things first, and if circumstances permit, get everything in your list done in the morning. When you get everything in your list done, you will feel incredibly relieved. 4. Dress appropriately. The casual dressing makes people feel relaxed and lazy at the same time. Recently, it has become popular to work from home, but everyone is wearing pajamas and start to work. Do you ever feel like you can't concentrate on your work? If so, try wearing the same clothes you used to wear to work so that you can look professional and work efficiently, and it does make you more efficient. Even if you feel lazy one day, you still have to convince yourself to continue to wear this. Because wearing formal wear can bring you the feeling of success. Your whole mentality has changed. Become more diligent about efficiency. 5. Schedule. Design a timetable. You can also call it a habit. When you habitually follow the schedule, the daily work will be much easier. Without the good habit of punctuality, it is too difficult to achieve a career. Develop the habit of punctuality by setting a time to start something each day and a time to finish something each day, and sticking to it. This will allow you to focus more on completing tasks. 6. Rest on Sundays. A productive week indeed makes you feel successful, but after a week of work, it's time to rest for the holidays. Rest is for the long haul, and a proper rest not only won't make you lazy, but you'll be more energized for Monday's work. Enjoy a lazy Sunday, but be careful not to bring that laziness to Monday. 7. Find an agent to deal with. Laziness is when you don't want to do something, so you put it off. For example, mailing a package, filling out a form, or booking an airline ticket. When we want to do something from the bottom of our hearts, nothing can stop us. If we don't want to do something, we will find various reasons to put it off. You can leave this to an agent so that we can free up our time and energy to do what we really want to do. Of what we do, only 20% of what we want to do is the most important. The other 80% is just not doing it, but we do not want to do, and not very important things. If we can find someone to help us with these things, then leave it to them to do it. Organizing is the most important point to overcome laziness. This allows you to go through the things you need to do in your head, which is extremely important for improving efficiency. Time is your friend. Always have a good concept of time. Master the balance between work and rest. The time of rest should be good rest. Here is Monopony. Welcome to like, comment and subscribe. See you next episode.